I remember one horrific moment in my life. I mean it. I was in some serious drawdown. This was about, shit, we're talking 5, 6 years ago. How was my son? 7. Yeah, about 5 years ago. I was in some horrific drawdown from just doing some dumb shit, man. Then I entered a trade. I can't remember what pair it was on. It was about lunchtime now. I was feeling the lowest I've ever felt in a very, very long time. Set the trade. It was something. This is not it, but let's just say I'm just taking it off a rejection area like this. Okay, gone into the trade. I was like, screw it. Scrolled up to the 4 hour time frame. Was like, right, I'm just gonna target these highs. I don't remember what it was. 1 o'clock came, still in the trade. 2 o'clock came, still in the trade. 5 o'clock came, still in the trade. 7 o'clock came, still in the trade. And I remember I was just so anxious about this. Price came all the way up here, then it retraced, then it came back down here, and then it came back here. And then by, I don't know, 7, 8 o'clock, I was like, price is here now. Said to me, so I'm just going to close the trade, forget it. I got closer back to where I need to be. I'm just going to close the trade. Sitting in this trade, I promise you, it was like 8, 9 hours. It was antagonizing. I closed the trade, went and sat down, felt a little bit of relief. And by that time, I think I was using these. No, I don't think I know I was using these, right? Forgot to turn it off, sat down. About half an hour later, ding, 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 the bell went off. You know, that trade scarred me so much. I can't tell you how long it took me to get over it. But I didn't care how much closer I was back to where I was when I started that day. The fact that I didn't hold it out to the end and get back to where I wanted to get to was the worst feeling in the world. And at that point in time, I just wish that I had just lost that trade rather than take the profits where I took it. It was just such a horrible feeling. I don't know why I'm telling you this. Why did I tell you this? There's a reason. But anyway, yeah, that scarred me, boy. Um,
Just get busy and you forget about them.
oh, I weren't forgetting about it. That's why it's the most
Yeah, yeah.
the most scarring trade I've ever took because for that 9, 10 hours, I was thinking about every single minute that trade was open. Um, and it was like I was sitting there. I remember on the living room floor for the whole time. I didn't want to be in the sofa, and I was just there leaning back. TV was on. Someone was running around or crawling around at that time. Can't remember. And all I kept doing was praying to the trading god. Anyone pray to the trading god? I don't care if you believe in God. Everyone prays to the trading god. And I was like, do you know what? Please, man. If it gets back there again, I promise you, I'm going to do everything that I'm supposed to do. I'm going to follow my plan. I'm not going to revenge trade anymore. I'm going to take all the setups that I'm supposed to be taking. I'm going to make sure that I've got all my habits and my routines in check. That prayer. Anyone done it? You don't even need to know it. It's the same prayer we all say. Okay. And I just closed the trade, got to it, and then hit it. I was like, huh, no. Flattened me, man. Flattened me. Just ripped every single ounce of confidence I had in me. Bro, good week. Problem with me, simple 2CT case. We just needed to see the chart after an hour and move on. No setup was there. In 2CTD, we need to continue to look at the chart because setup can form at any time. Please guide me how to make it easier. Yeah, just sit down for the time that you allocate to trading, Dr. Shah, and then when your time is up, walk away. That simple. Unless you have time to sit down and trade all day, then have reason to sit down and trade all day. But if it's affecting your trading, then set an allocated time to trade. When those setups develop, if they develop, take them within that period. And when your time is up, walk away. That is it.